scared if I get a microphone, it'll mess with all my settings because I have everything. There's a lot. There's a lot here, okay? There's a lot. But yeah, on the Big W website, they're like $30, mate. Oh my god, wait, I just didn't even see the rocket. I didn't even see it. Oh my god. Okay. Do I give up? Do I actually just give up? This is about to be a 15-minute stream. I'm concerned you should be. Wait, I can't reach out. Nobody's speaking. No. Okay. I should eat right now. Yeah, no, we're about to end. Don't worry. I'm gonna get all these, and then we're gonna do a little bit of gamba. First, I'm looking at this man. And take all of his money. In game, of course. Okay. Oh. Now, we should have some of these. Claim all. Claim all. And claim all. We should have quite a bit of money, right? Mirror level. Inject yourself with coffee, so true. How could we have not thought of this? And then I'm gonna go store. Still the right. No. Diamond. Yeah, we go. We can only afford 3. Oh my god. They're rough. Then residence. Oh, I got a kappa. I only have. Oh my god, I can't do a full temple. That's so infuriating. I need 2 more. I hate that. Okay, we're gonna do single pulls then. Yeah, I have 49 out of 50 of just all the free shit. And the only thing I don't have is this dress. That's the only thing I don't have. So we're gonna try it. We're gonna keep doing singles. Fuck, we're poor. Yeah, we are. What did I get? Ew. I'm so sick of this fuck ass outfit. Okay, skip. I mean, they're cute, but I don't want them. Skip. I have these socks, they're very cute. Do we get luck? We get luck, right? Well, this one we watch for luck. If we watch it, it makes it lucky, right? Right. It doesn't. My bad, guys. We may as well do the rest of them. Oh. Is it good? I can't tell. I don't know if there's actually any color indicator of whether it's good or not. Skip. No, I don't think we're having any luck. No luck at all. Okay, what about this one? We have 7 of these. I'm gonna pretend you don't care. Yeah, obviously I care. Yeah, why would I? I wouldn't care at all. Yeah, if this was a particular armies for a born or a skip. Classic curves. Ooh. See, these pants are really cute. I like these. 4 left. That is, I do not enjoy that bag at all. Okay, these shoes are really cute though, because they got little bows. Okay, please. Please, what is that? Okay, last one. This is our last pull. I feel like it's so heavily weighed onto 10 pulls because I've never gotten anything good by single pulling. I've only ever gotten good stuff by 10 pulling. Well, we got sweet nothing. Absolutely nothing. You like that, chat? Is that good? Is that good for you? Compendium rating. Oh, did I get something new? I did. Wow. Ew. What is this? God's resolve. I can be a god. Rate my compendium. Brain is tricked at a satisfactory amount. Nearly. Oh, we're so close. Okay. Well, my darling little freaks, thank you for playing video game with me today. And I hope it helps you get a little bit more sleepy, at least for the Australians.